A high-level delegation from Timor-Leste, led by the Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources, Francisco Monteiro, visited the Gold-Rich Mining Limited facility in central Guadalcanal, Solomon Islands, on July 10, 2025. The delegation included representatives from the Ministry of Petroleum and Mineral Resources, National Minerals Authority, Murakrai Timor, Timor-Leste Geosciences Institute, Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative, and the G7 Plus Secretariat. The delegation was accompanied by Solomon Islands Minister of Mines, Energy, and Rural Electrification, Derek Rockcliffe Manuari. They were warmly welcomed by GRML Director Walton Nizon, Deputy Executive Mine Manager Xiang Wen Song, and the GRML team during a traditional ceremony.
We are here with a program that has been promoted, facilitated by G7 Plus. It's an international, intergovernmental organizations trying to bring together all member states that Solomon Islands are one of the member states. And we are privileged, we are honored, we deeply appreciate and value the willingness from the people of this region, this land, that allows us to come with the minister to visit your gold mining. I'm honored, very privileged that we traditionally have been given all the due traditional allowance, traditional permissions for us to be around and be given presentations of the facilities in here.
It's a great pleasure to be here to represent the group of 7 Plus, a group of 20 countries where Solomon Islands, starting from next year, you will be the chair of this group for the next 2 years through the leadership of the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Honorable Peter General Agawaka. Right. As we know here, this is an exemplary model of economic transformation of a country that is moving from fragility towards post-conflict and to transform the economy to the benefit of the people of the Solomon Islands. And I witnessed this myself. This is my second time to be here in this country since last year when we observed the general elections, which ran very well. And it serves as a model for other countries to follow.
Gold mining company is a very important actor, the mining sector. We value your contribution to the economy and to the people in terms of the development of communities play in it. We will continue to foster close working relationship with you to see that we are able to assist and help not only our people but also the country moving forward. This morning we are pleased to have the presence of the Honorable Minister of Timor-Leste and the Secretary General of G7 Plus group, and Okatatu Babahelpemimi, to be able to achieve our goals and objectives in achieving sustainable development through mining good practice. So we are privileged to have them here as our visitors today, and on behalf of the government, we are happy to much Ifal people here for welcoming Mifala and receiving Mifala with the traditional gifts.
The Gold-Rich Mine, operated by GRML, is the first and largest gold mine in the Solomon Islands. It is jointly owned by Wongo International Mining Group, AXF Resources, and the local community through Gold-Rich Communities Investment Limited. Located about 22 kilometers from the capital, Honiara, in central Guadalcanal, the mine comprises 4 major deposits. It has recently resumed operations following a period of reconstruction. GRML currently targets gold exports of at least 500 kilograms per month, with full production expected to reach capacity next year. Beyond its mining operations, GRML also supports local development initiatives, including projects to enhance electricity and internet access in rural areas.